guys, and welcome back. In previous videos you've seen me install roof racks on my Toyota Auris to be able to mount the rooftop tent. But this summer, when we're going on a trip, we are bringing our regular 6 people tent, and therefore it would be nice to have some extra storage space. I've been looking at those hard cargo boxes, but they are quite expensive. So I searched the Google and we came up with this. It's a Gadline cargo carrier bag. And this one is 15 cubic or 400 liter. So that should give us plenty of extra storage. Let's open it up. Okay, let's see what's inside. Comes with a nice storage bag. Instructions. Think about pulling this away rather than a big hard plastic box. This is much better. So we have the anti-slip mat. And of course we have the storage bag. We have the mounting hooks and some what do you call these? Tie down straps. Okay, let's install it on the car. First of all, you wanna have the roof clean. Like so. Now you want to take the anti-slip mat and place it where you want the bag to be. Like so. Now you want to install these hooks. You peel this weather strip. Just like that, and place it and push the weather seal back. Like so. And we want to do this to all four corners. Before you start filling the bag up, make sure you know how much the roof can handle. In my case, it's 100 kilos. the bag takes roughly 1 camping table, 3 camping chairs, and some other small stuff. Now we can start securing the bag. So we take this and put it through. Just loose at first and do this to all 4 corners. Now make sure the bag sits somewhat in the middle of the roof. Now we can start clamping this down. Well, there you have it, folks. As you can see, this bag takes some more stuff, but remember to not go over what the car can handle. Well guys, what do you think? A pretty nice extra storage. Well guys, now you know there's a substitute for those hard cargo boxes. This cargo bag seems really nice. When you're done using it, store it like this. Thanks everyone for watching. And remember, like and subscribe guys. And you see me in the next one. See ya.